Welcome to another 10 on the 10th video. This is a collaboration put on by Kim of Metal Scrapmagic, where we make 10 or so Christmas cards every single month so that we're ready for the holidays when they get here. Today I'm using this sketch. This is Operation Ride Home number 238. And I went ahead and modified this piece to fit my Christmas greeting. I also used my Silent Night pattern paper. So let's get started. Here's my first one. I used Bermuda Bay and Blushing Bride, as well as this is a peg stamp from Rubber Stamp Tapestry, and I made my little snowflakes to add some interest. This paper is glossy, and then the inside, this is an old Stampin' Up! Stamp, and then I did some more of the snowflake. This is Rococo Rose. Did I say I used Blushing Bride for this? Yeah. This is a little bit lighter. I used mostly scraps before I dug into my pattern paper, my 12 by 12, so I had quite a bit left over. All different mix and match. And if you see more than two, it means I'm covering up a boo-boo. I did several there because I had several boo-boos. I will be putting a hashtag down in my description box so that you can go and see the other collaborators' creations. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. And it's never too soon to start creating Christmas cards. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.